process of inspecting a tool using the PG-1000 and Reaction software begins by placing the tool in the V-block or on a concentricity fixture. Locate the approximate location of the feature you wish to measure with the X and Y axis hand wheels. During this process, adjust lighting as needed so that the feature being inspected is well lit with good contrast. Magnify to get a larger visual area. Now adjust the focus so the image is clear. Now you're prepared to complete a calculation. There are 4 types of calculations to choose from. Screen calculations are made by choosing points on the screen with your mouse. Scale calculations are made by using the X and Y hand wheels to move the crosshairs and select points on the tool image. Edge detection calculations are made by using your mouse to draw an area of interest box around the feature of a tool and allowing the software to detect and calculate the attributes of the feature. Comparisons calculations create and display user-defined shapes, angles, or lines, giving the ability to compare the actual tool images to expected dimensions. Every calculation you choose has detailed written instructions on the bottom right corner of the screen. In addition, a brief demonstration video is available for each calculation. Access the video by right-clicking on the calculation name. Let's look at an example. We'll begin with a screen calculation for a helical angle and land width. Select the calculation by double-clicking, dragging and dropping, or using the Start button. Select the points, and if needed, move them to adjust the calculations. You'll see the results displayed on the image and in the results window. Now we'll perform a radius screen calculation. Use the mouse to select points around the radius, and the results will be displayed. When the Save button is pressed, the software gives a user the option to rename the measurement and to add positive and negative tolerances. A saved report will appear in the calculation archives. The calculation can be retrieved from the archives, and clicking the PDF icon will turn the calculation into a PDF report. Clear will delete the calculation from the screen and database. You can also press the Save Scene button to create a macro that stores the image and the results for future repeat tool inspections. For more details on saving a scene, view the Scenes and Inspections video in the Reaction video library. Scale calculations are made on the PG-1400 by moving the crosshairs to different points on the screen, using the X and Y hand wheels. As an example, here's how you might do a scale inspection on an included angle. Select the scale calculation by double-clicking, dragging and dropping, or clicking the Start button. Use the hand wheels to select the points and click the Insert button. You'll see the resulting calculation on the screen. After the scale calculation is made, it can be saved or cleared using the same process as we use with a screen calculation. Edge detection calculations allow the user to draw an area of interest box, and the software automatically locates and defines the tool edges and makes the calculation. For example, let's look at how the edge detection process determines the diameter of a ball-nosed end mill. Start by selecting the edge detection calculation from the Calculations window. Draw an area of interest box around the end of the tool, making sure to capture the area beyond the tangent point. In this example, we're choosing a calculation that benefits from a concentricity fixture. Now rotate the tool. Within seconds, the software will calculate the true cutting diameter of the end mill based on the high points of the flutes. The screen displays the results. After the calculation is complete, the calculation results can be saved or cleared. A comparison inspection is not a calculation, but it's a great technique for making a quick reference check on a tool. Let's see how it works in the example of a 5-flute end mill. Begin the process by selecting the Circle Comparison Inspection and enter the circle size or sizes you'll compare your tool against, along with the desired location of the circle. A comparison circle will be displayed, and the image of the tool being inspected can be viewed against the comparison shape. This type of inspection is commonly used for pass-fail or go-no-go inspections. If you have any questions about the details of the calculation process, we would be glad to help. Contact a PG-1000 tool measurement specialist for details.